Hello and welcome to European Autocraft. The disaster you see behind me is a combination of a fledgling company and an owner who is stricken with ADD, ADHD, and every other disorganized acronym you can think of. I invite you to come take a look. I'm going to warn you, if you have OCD or any other organized acronym, you might want to cover your eyes and only look at a little at a time. So come on, take a look. No, come on, it'll be okay. You can see the mess that I've created. Everywhere you look, shelves are covered up, our plating system, derusting system, and our ultrasonic cleaner are just piled up because we can't seem to get it organized. More shelves, plenty of good quality shelves, but they're packed with stuff and nothing is in an organized manner. Even a go-kart. We'll explain that later. But we're also trying to get organized with the bin rack and other things that we're going to be using for our restoration parts. Over here we have a little more confusion. We tried to make this organized, I just can't seem to keep it organized. We have a Westerby generator, for a marine generator. We'll get to that another day too. And our eBay pile. Most everything in here is for sale on eBay, but still very disorganized. We're trying to get it in a position where we can have it all. No, what we are going to focus on is this 1986 Porsche 944 Turbo. The owner has had this car since he was in college many years ago. Since he started a family, the car has been neglected and it's been sitting for a very long time. And now that his kids have grown, I think he's got about 40 of them, he wants to bring the car back to the way it was when it was in college. We want to do one better. We want to make the car look like it just came out of the showroom again. And that's what we're going to do in the next video. We're going to start the disassembly process and inspection and see what we need to do to get it to where we want it to be. Anyways, what I want to tell you is we started this company before the virus hit, just before the virus hit, thus the COVID-19 hairstyle. We lost a lot of work and we were trying to recover now. So I thought I'd like to share with you what we do here and how we're recovering, and hopefully you'd like to join and watch how we do this. We're going to be working on the 944 Turbo project that we showed you. That's going to be the focus of our attention. We also have other projects going around that you've seen in the shop. We might show you a little bit of that here and there, but the main focus will be the 944 Turbo. Now, what we do need, we need uniforms, obviously. We need air conditioning. We need equipment. We need a lot of other things to make this work. We need a bigger building. We need a paint shop. We need our own spray booth and our own restoration facility. That's where we want to go with this. Our ambitions are huge. And we can get there with support from all of you watching. Please subscribe and yeah, subscribe, watch, give us some likes, give us some comments, because we want to make this show the way you want it. So if you give us comments, we'll respond, and maybe we can make this work all together. Well, that was awkward. I'm not very good at remembering my lines, but that's okay because most of this isn't going to be scripted. We want you to see everything, the good and the bad. Sometimes I get it wrong. It'll never start. And sometimes I nail it. Suspension's broke. Yeah. Well, you've made it this far into the video, which is a really good sign. It's taken us 6 months to get this far into this project. It's now early February, so we don't need air conditioning. The mornings are freezing. It's like 60. We have shirts now. The car's inside the building and ready to be disassembled. But there were a few problems getting it in the building. Take a look. What do you got, the parking brake on or something?
Parking brake's not on. Something's happened. This thing's hard to push.
Well, it's hard to push then.
Uh-oh.
Robin! Oh no! Get him off! Get him off! Get him off! Get him off! It's okay, Ross. We'll get you.
But that wasn't the only problem.
What a mess.
The brake is on.
Even though we're featuring our 944 Turbo restoration project for our video series, we also work on some very unique cars in the shop, like this 1957 BMW Isetta 300. It's a single-cylinder micro car. We've done some engine work on this car and some other work around the door here, which is this car's most unique feature. This door was actually designed by a refrigerator company. Take a look inside.